politics that has been raising over the issue is after Congress MP Manikam Tagore changed the profile picture of his social media account and posted a picture of former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru holding the Indian flag. The picture was captioned, "New profile pic, Jai Hind." Now, why has it triggered a political storm? This is because it came right after, on the 9th of August, Prime Minister Narendra Modi posted on his social media account urging all citizens to change the display pictures of their social media accounts to Indian flag colors to celebrate Independence Day. The call has garnered traction with the civilians and politicians at the same time. Now, Congress, in view of that call, however, chose to change its profile picture to Jawaharlal Nehru holding a Tiranga, and now is facing a barb from the BJP, who says that finally the party has remembered Nehru and the national flag.
On the insistence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, entire nation is celebrating Har Ghar Tiranga. They are putting Tiranga as their DP. They are taking selfie with Tiranga. On the other hand, Congress has responded by putting picture of Parivar in their DP. This shows that for them it is Parivar above Desh. It is Parivar above Tiranga. For us it is Tiranga. It is Samvidhan. National symbols of honor and pride. Indira is India and India is Indira mindset. They have not been able to cast it away, and therefore for them family is more important than country and country's symbols, and therefore they are saying selfie with Parivar. They are putting pictures of Parivar in the DP. Har Ghar Parivar. We are saying Har Ghar Tiranga.
And they can use any picture of Sardar Patel ji, of Nehru ji, of Mahatma Gandhi ji, or for that regard Indira Gandhi ji, but till the time they are on hoisting national flag and instilling this feeling of nationalism within the youth and within the countrymen, they are most welcome.
We are very happy. Congress is tweeting pictures with Nehru ji holding tricolor in hand. Congress is finally remembering them. Because whenever BJP or any of its leaders, we recall Nehru ji, you guys get very angry, very irritated. Why always you take Nehru? Why always you take Nehru, Indira, Rajiv? At least now you are remembering Nehru. So you should be thankful to Modi ji and you should be thankful to BJP and people of this country that made you remember Nehru ji. Holding tricolor is always a good sign.
Pragya joins me for more on this controversy. Pragya, we heard three versions coming in from the BJP. One trashing this move, two of them welcoming this move, both for different reasons. Have we, however, heard from the Congress party? Is it just a standalone gesture by Manikam Tagore, or has it been done across the party leaders? Have others also joined in? And is it a deliberate move to choose Nehru's picture with the tricolor as the DP ahead of Independence Day?
Well, for now, it looks like Manikam Tagore himself is doing it, and in fact, it is he who has changed the profile picture in the beginning, saying that we also know Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru also hoisted national flag, and this is also, not a sole initiative by BJP, Modi-led central government, and also the BJP. Now, in 2022, as part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Prime Minister Narendra Modi envisioned this as Jan Andolan, and in fact, he has urged everyone to hoist the flag, and also the aim is to have the promotion of patriotism and unity. So there was no reason for Congress to oppose such a move, because this is for everyone, and whosoever wants to participate in this particular movement can do so. But now, after Manikam Tagore has initiated this controversy and also generated this narrative that it is not BJP alone who has stood up for the Tiranga, Congress has been doing it since independence, and it is Congress who is instrumental in getting this country independence. BJP has launched a scathing attack on Manikam Tagore and Congress in general now, saying that when you change your profile picture, you have Pandit Nehru with the tricolor flag. Whereas when we do it, when Mr. Narendra Modi, Prime Minister of India, do it, he just have this tricolor flag that shows that for you, family comes first. For us, the country comes first. So this is a war of words that has started between the Congress and within the government, and also by the BJP.
All right, but that is not the only thing that Congress is facing flack for. Remember, today is also the Partition Horrors Remembrance Day. On that occasion, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has also taken a dig at the Congress party. He says that partition happened in the first place because of Congress's greed, and that it is the power-hungry Congress that divided the nation.
जिस लड़ाई को लड़कर के देश को स्वतंत्र कराने की दिशा में विदेशी हुकूमत को उखाड़ फेंकने के संकल्प के साथ जो लड़ाई लड़ी गई थी, जब उसकी पूर्णता का समय आया तो विभाजन की त्रासदी का सामना इस सनातन राष्ट्र को करना पड़ा। जो कार्य इतिहास में किसी युग में नहीं हुआ, वह दुर्भाग्य से सत्ता लोलुप कांग्रेस की सत्ता के प्रति अभिलिप्सा ने, लोलुपता ने त्रासदी के रूप में, विभाजन की त्रासदी के रूप में हम सबके सामने प्रस्तुत कर दी और स्वतंत्र भारत को एक ऐसा नासूर दे दिया जो आज भी इस भारत में आतंकवाद के रूप में, उग्रवाद के रूप में, अलगाववाद के रूप में लगातार पूरे भारत को दंश दे रहा है।
Pragya, another political war of words there over partition, and who's to blame for it?
Well, the BJP has started this particular movement, and they also need to, when Prime Minister started this Prime Minister said that we also need to recall, how badly people suffered during partition, and we should not forget what we went through, what the nation went through, and we have to acknowledge those people who went through this partition, and this is exactly why we are standing here in this particular Bharat Mandapam, where Mr. Amit Shah, Union Home Minister, is going to participate in this horrors, to recall this horrors of partition, and the objective, basically behind this whole movement is to see what we went through. We need to know our history and who is responsible for it. Someone has to be held accountable for what many lakhs and lakhs of people faced while they, went through that horrible phase, and they left their property, they left their children, loss of lives. This should not be repeated, and this repeated because of BJP believes that this was done at the behest of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and that is a scathing attack that has come on Congress time and again from the BJP. And whenever there is mention of partition, there is also mention of emergency. So all those things are clubbed together from the BJP side to attack the Congress party. And BJP wants, because this is a new generation that has never seen what partition look like, what are the impact of Congress ruling on the country. And this is exactly why BJP has started this particular campaign, saying that you need our new generation who needs to know what Congress did when the country got freedom. With the freedom, with the celebration of freedom, there also came the suffering and the horrors that people witnessed during the partition, and there was no say of the common people in whether there should be a partition or not. There was a handful of leaders who did that, who approved that, and brunt of which has to be borne by all these people who are living in both the countries.
Right, whether it is the emergency or partition, BJP has taken it upon itself to remind today's generation of the horrors of the past. Thank you, Pragya, for joining me. We've got